This is Vanessa Sutherland. This is part 2 of my video. So my learners have all gone through and completed the evaluation checklist for each unit. They're just coming up to the last unit now and finishing all their evaluation of each assessment tool in the unit. So we're just going to come over. They're almost going to finish now. So I had a couple of questions. You wanted to ask a question about one of the tools?
Yes, actually in 3 of them, they're all the same. They asked a question about, are they cost effective in each of the assessments?
Yeah, so with the cost effective side of things, so the units are developed to run the actual written tasks are done in class, so they're done as part of your course itself. With the practical elements, some of them you'll notice there's a lot of equipment needed that you would have seen in the equipment required that we actually provide. So it's cost effective to us because we're an RTO that delivers to a large cohort of students. Basically, we have equipment that we can reuse. So some of our equipment in these assessment tasks are actually single-use throwaway, like a mask or a set of gloves. We do buy in bulk to try and reduce cost for that. When we're actually doing mock scenarios, the student can use that one pair of gloves for the scenario. When it comes to things like wheelchairs and walking sticks and other equipment that's used in some of these assessments, we use cleaning agents. So we've got one wheelchair, or I should say 3 wheelchairs in the clinic, but once we've purchased those, we've got them. So it's not an ongoing cost to take at Kingswood at all to run these assessments. Once we own most of the equipment, we own it, and we have all of that in stock already. So,
okay, thank you.
Yeah. So nothing really in these assessment tasks requires purchase of new goods that aren't single-use throwaway tools. Yeah. Was there anything specifically that you noticed in the assessment task that we should change, or that you didn't understand and you think should be written any differently?
It's all quite easy and understandable, but just some of the layout, there's not enough sufficient space for some assessment feedback, I found.
Okay, on the last pages there?
Yeah.
Okay.
So, yeah, some more space required there perhaps.
Okay, yeah, well that's great feedback. Yeah, perfect. So we might be able to add some extra space for, did anyone else find that as well, or did you?
Yes, in all 3.
It's in all of them? Yeah. Okay, well we'll have a look at that anyway, and we might be able to, or we will, increase the space so that we can add some more feedback for the assessors as well. And is that the case for the student feedback as well? Did we feel that there was enough for each of them, or they probably both need?
Probably both.
Yep, okay.
I think.
Alright, perfect. Alright, were there any other questions or anything? Did each of the assessment tools make sense?
Yes.
My main thing is that, did we cover the rules of evidence and the principles of assessment? So things like, do you feel it's valid, what we're testing? Do you feel that the grading and the actual assessments are reliable in the information that we're receiving? Are they fair as well? Are they flexible?
Seems to be.
Are they valid? Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
The main thing is if we're reaching those targets and we're meeting those criteria, we're presenting an assessment tool where the mapping is meeting all the needs of the student and of the unit and the training package. So yeah. Perfect. Well, thank you so much for providing those evaluation sheets. I'm going to collect them and put them in with each unit. We're going to go through, go back, have a look at all the information you've given us, and make some adjustments according to that. So thank you.
Okay.
No problem.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.